Hey there guys, so if you got error with your whirlpool refrigerator and you could have E5 error, so this error indicates an issue with the defrost heater or defrost sensor thermistor. Now it's not like your fridge is just not proper defrosting. So first thing, unplug the refrigerator. Then what you want to do is that you want to also access the defrost heater and thermistor. They are located behind the back panel inside the freezer compartment, and you just want to locate. There are like plenty of videos how you can actually find it. And then what you want to do is that you want to remove the panel and inspect the frost buildup. So if there is any frost ice buildup in evaport coils, so you just want to check if there is like some kind of like issue here or some kind of leakage. And then if you have a multimeter, you can check for continuity. If it's everything's fine, then you can also check the defrost thermistor and inspect the wiring. If not, then you can need to like replace it. Then I just want to make this quick tutorial for you. So have a great day and goodbye.